FTFT stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Future Fintech Group stock, it's already melting. It is bearish. I've done well over 39,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all of that is documented. With FTFT, all I'm looking to do is still hopefully take things lower. Now, I'm gonna mark down these lows. This is tough. Let's put it this way. It's definitely rough, tough. And all I'm looking to do is still take things down. Now, you could be like, are you really selling this? No, because obviously rules are not met. But it's a bearish bias. It's like a ticker that I'm not even looking to buy, you know? Just a ticker that I'm looking to stay away. But just for the sake, it's bearish bias like this for me, because, you know, previous bearish biases for me have been correct up to this point. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.